Okay, here we are. Our car remote control key not working. There are two possible reasons for this. Either battery is dead, there is a lithium ion battery inside, which might be discharged completely because of the time. It is now more than 5 years. How to solve this? Pretty simple, by just replace with a new one. Now, I really hope that this is the reason because the second one is really bad. The second reason is that the buttons are damaged. Electronic buttons can be damaged because their internal contacts may have accumulated buildup chemicals, preventing them from contacts. This is bad because they cannot be cleaned nor replaced because you cannot find the size required easily. So, let's hope that this is not the case with our key. But in case our buttons are damaged, then we can clean them, but through a very long and hard process. In either case, we will have to open it, and we have to be very careful not to damage the cover because it is old and the plastic cover may break at any time if we are not careful enough. So, I am going to deattach this middle first because I don't want anything to bother me. It's a little bit difficult, but you can do it. Yes. And we are going to need this and this. Let's go ahead and open it. Very careful this time. As I said, this is very old. I'm sorry. This is a very old key. Almost 10 years now. Yeah. Okay. So I guess we need another tool. Just 1 second, I'll bring the other tool. There we go. I have the tool with me. Be able to take it out. This tool is very sharp, just like a needle. It's very helpful in doing electronic projects. But we have to be very careful because, as I said, this is an old key. Yeah? Yes. So those are the buttons I told you about, guys. I hope they are okay. And this is the integrated circuit regarding the remote control. And this is something I don't know about. Seems to me a industrial rubber. Yeah. In between the physical buttons and the real buttons, okay? Because those are the buttons on the casing. And here we go, an intermediate layer. So later on we are going to clean it, but it should be actually dry cleaning by using any tissue, not using any chemicals, so that we'll prevent the buildup of the chemicals inside this unit. All right, so now we need this. Let's go ahead and open this module here. So again, we have to be very careful and patient at the same time. Yeah, this is the correct way to open such devices. First of all, to use the suitable correct tools, and secondly is to be patient and to avoid damaging the materials, especially when they are old like this. Okay, so we have the unit now. Let's put it aside. And as you can see, okay, now we need another tool. I think this one. Something is fine, small and fine, like this. See? Let's take out the battery from here. And as you can see, guys, this battery is size 2060. Can you see that, guys? 2060. Oh, I wasn't careful, but here's the battery. Next is to check the battery level. As you can see here, it should be 3 volts, this one. See, it's a 3 volts. So let's check the level of the battery. One, two, three. Yeah, we have around 3 volts. So the battery should be okay, but I have no idea about the circuit. Maybe the circuit demands 3 volts sharp. I don't know, but I can't see what's the problem. Maybe this is the problem, maybe not. But anyway, we are going to change it. So, next will be to check our scraps and praying to find a replacement. Otherwise, I will have to wait until tomorrow to go to the shop and buy a replacement. So now, let's go to the old workshop room to check if I have in my scraps, if I have in my stocks replacement. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, Panasonic. Let's check its voltage. Not much. 2.9. Not much because it's old. Okay, leave it like this. This one looks new. Let's check. Now you try to open it so that it is easy to be putting again in here in case we did not need it. So yeah, max. Oh yeah, 3.3. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for, guys. So this one is a newer, yeah. Okay, now we go for the next step. We are going to open this module because we want to see the internal components, guys. Now it's a chance. We'll talk about the how it works, and we'll talk about the integrated circuit IC found inside. All right, very carefully like this. Nice. Put it there and return it back like this, and here we go. Okay, this is D151811-3340 SMD Automotive Key remote control chip from Toshiba. So here we go, guys. Let's just put it back. We have nothing to do here. We don't know if these buttons are still working correctly or not. As I said, some ways is developed inside because of the years, because of the weather, because of the things, because of the humidity. Many aspects actually contribute to the corruption of buttons. But let's hope for the best. We are going to just close it, change the battery and close it. Is that another rubber sleeve to protect from humidity The Japanese, they are very well prepared for this, but unfortunately, sometimes it's just the weather is unbelievable. Layers, okay? Let's just put it back like this. All right. And supply the maxil battery like this. So we are going to make sure that we are hitting this actually tab here. There is a tab here and another tab is here. We have to hit them first, then we push them like that until we hear the click, because here is some also tab and here plastic tab to hold it in place. Now let us test, and I think that what I saw from the circuit that there is also an LED lamp. Yeah, see? Okay, so that means the buttons are okay. Very nice, guys. Yeah. Thanks God. I was thinking that the buttons have some trouble. It was the battery, and we have solved the problem with the battery by merely and professionally replacing the battery. Okay. Now continue closing like this. Okay, this one is okay now. Everything is running. Yeah, from first push, you get the light. Nice. Okay. I will clean by hand like this. And I will clean this by hand like this. It's just like this. Okay. And it's going to be like this. Yeah, like this. Absolutely. Oh, here we got our buttons out. No problem. We can just put them all in a place. So we have one here, and the other one is actually, it's just like this. Okay. And the other one, which is the upper one, is just like this. So here, put it like this. Good. Okay, just like this. Good. And here we have this one here. I don't know if you can see, guys. Yes. And this one should go through here smoothly and nicely like this. Put one side which has a space. Yeah. Okay. Now everything is fine. So we'll put our rubber like this, because the rubber, it has tabs to fit in place. Yes. Very nice. We'll go ahead just like this and just press like this. Yeah. Good. Yeah, we solved the problem now. I can go to the work day after tomorrow with my peace of mind. Okay? Return this to place. Okay, mission complete. Now, it is time for test. Remember, now it is time for test.